Yeah, hi Nigel. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your. Let me just turn that down. I've just done your laser fear, so I'm just doing you a video. Okay, basically, yeah, I've put another laser in there for you. And I've also done a couple of cogs. And the thing is, that the reason I've done one of them is it was a little bit chewed. And that is why you've had to wait a little bit of extra time, because the only ones that I had were ones that were used cogs that were basically all the teeth were knackered on them. So basically, I had to get some more. And as you probably already know, these parts are like bloody rock and all shit. But yeah, it's all done now and it's all working for you. All I can do is apologise about the delay. Oh, by the way, the paintbrush is there because you're missing one of these. So I'm guessing that you got that on your jukebox or whatever part you got. So yeah, it's all working as it should be. You got a 6-month warranty on that. So yeah, I hope this is all okay for you. You should get this back before Christmas. I'll get this sent out, signed for delivery for you. So yeah, any problems, just give us a shout. But you can see it's all running. It should be. I'll just go back a couple of tracks so you can sit there. So go up a track. So yeah, so it's all working now. It's been on test for bloody ages now. So yeah, I've not found any errors with it. So let me just turn that off now. Right. So I've not found any errors with it. So everything's working as it should be. So yeah, hopefully you get that and you're going to be a happy camper. Again, thank you very much, Nigel, for your business. We really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a great Christmas and lots of fun with the family and everything else. And your jukebox is all working for you. Thanks again. Cheers, buddy.